In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and edit a project in Descript using your browser. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to web.descript.com. This is the browser-based version of Descript, which lets you work on scripts, recordings, and video projects without needing to install anything first. Once the page loads, make sure you're signed in and ready to access your workspace. From there, look for the new button and click it to begin. This is where you'll start a fresh project in Descript. Depending on what you want to create, you can use this option to begin a script, start a recording, or create a video project. If you're new to the platform, this is the main entry point for almost everything you'll do, so it's a good place to get familiar with. After opening a new project, the next step is to add your content. You can do this by pasting in text directly if you already have a script prepared, or by uploading audio or video files if you want Descript to generate a transcript for you automatically. This is one of the most useful features in the platform because it saves time and turns your spoken content into editable text. If you're uploading media, give it a moment to process, especially if the file is large. A clean recording will usually produce a more accurate transcript, so if your source audio is clear, your editing experience will be much smoother. Once your text or media has been added and the transcript appears, you can begin editing your project by working directly inside the transcribed text. This is the key idea behind Descript. Instead of trimming audio or video on a traditional timeline first, you can simply edit the words you see on screen. When you delete text, Descript removes that part of the media as well. This makes the editing process much more intuitive, especially for spoken content like interviews, lessons, podcasts, or voiceovers. As you make changes, read through the transcript carefully and edit with intention. Small text edits can have a direct impact on the final media, so it helps to review each change as you go. This text-based workflow is designed to feel familiar, almost like editing a document, while still giving you control over your audio or video. That's the basic process for getting started in Descript through Chrome. Open the site, create a new project, add your text or media, and edit by changing the transcript itself. Once you're comfortable with this workflow, creating polished content becomes much faster and easier.